Hello my dear friend. Today we must solve this exercise. We must simplify. Please subscribe to my channel to watch my new video and please press the notification button. Now let's go. Here we have x minus 2 in power 5 fraction 3 minus x minus 2 in power 2 fraction 3 plus, here just a second, we have here x power of 2 7 multiply x plus 12. Here we must use the formula a in power of n. This is equal to 1 fraction a in power of n. We must use this formula. Now for this example, here this can be this base as a value. This all, we can say this all is as a. Now this expression we can write fraction 1, sorry, here second, we have base x minus 2 in power, we have power 1 fraction 3. Here you can write this 1 fraction. Now fraction, we have x in power of 2 7 multiply x plus 12. Here we must, here for the denominator it's 1, because this old expression, when it's dividing by 1, it will be with this expression. We can write here, and this for it's 1. Now we can write x minus 2 in power 1, or we can write this to make more space. X minus 2, this is all in power 1 fraction 3. Now 1 to this expression is x minus 2 in power 1 fraction 3. Now x, this is multiplying by this, x minus 2 in power 5 fraction 3 minus, here in the denominator here is 1. 1 to this expression is all this expression. We have x minus 2 in power of 3. Power, it's 1 fraction 3, that is multiplying this, x minus 2 in power 2 fraction 3 plus, here is denominator 1, x minus 2 in power, oh sorry, here now this expression to this expression, it will be simplified. It's 1. 1 multiplied by 1, it's 1. 1 multiplied by 2, it's 2. We have 2. Now just I like to explain something here. Here, listen. Here I have said that x minus 2, this base in power of 1 fraction 3. 1, this whole expression divided by 1, it's all this x minus 2 in power 1 fraction 3. Can you see x minus 2 in power of 1 fraction 3? That is multiplying x minus 2 in power 5 fraction 3. Here we have minus. Now for this second expression, this expression divided by 1, it will be this expression. And can you see here, x minus 2 in power 1 fraction 3 is multiplying this x minus 2 in power of 2 fraction 3 plus this expression, this third we have here. This is just for explanation. X minus 2 in power 1 3. This expression and this expression are same. You can write 1. This, it will be simplifier, it's 1. Can you see this expression, base x minus 2 in power of 1 fraction 3 to divided by this, it's 1. Now we can delete this. Now what we have here is the inside, this is the outside. It will be multiply inside with inside, this expression, and this outside, this expression will multiply each other. Remember, when this expression is divided by 1, it will be all this expression, it will be same, it will not be changed. Now fraction 1 multiplied by this, it will be same. Can you see here? I will write one formula, a in power of n and a in power of m. Here, when this base is a and this base is a, the base is the same, we can write this base and this exponential power, it will be add each other, n plus m, and this is the formula. We must remember this formula. Now here is x minus 2 and here is x minus 2. Here the base is the same, we must add this exponential, this power. It's 1 fraction 3 plus 5 fraction 3 minus, here the base are the same, x minus 2, x minus 2, we have is 3, 1 plus 2 plus 2, and here this inside and this it will be multiply each other. Here we have x minus 2 in power 1 fraction 3, x in power of 2, 7x 7 multiply x plus 12. Here is equal. Now what we have? X minus 2 in power 1 fraction 3. Here we have x 7 multiplied by x plus 12. X minus 2. Here we have the denominator is 3. 3 divided by 3, it's 1. 1 multiplied by 1 plus, because we have here plus. 3 divided by 3, it's 1. 1 multiplied by 5. We have minus. Here, just a second. Here I have add. Directly I have say base x minus 2 and this exponential, this power are add. Here we have 3 fraction 3 plus 2 equal. Now what we have? X minus 2 x 7 x plus 12 x minus 2, this is all in power 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 divided by 3, 6 divided by 3 it's 2, minus 3 divided by 3 it's 1, plus 2. Now just a second, here can you see this expression? We can just this take here to find how can write author form this. We are going to use this formula. Minus b plus minus b in power of 2 for a multiply c 2 multiplied by a. Here is the formula. A in score, b c is x plus c equal to 0. Here it's 1. This is the a value, this is the b value, this is the c value. Now we can write a it's 1 according to this formula. This what b is minus 7, c is 12. Can you see from this equation? Now we must substitution here. Minus b is minus 7 plus minus. Here just a second. Now b is value minus 7 in score, minus 4 multiplied by a it's 1, c is 12. 2, a it's 1. Now we have minus multiplied by minus is plus here, plus minus here. Minus in score is plus, because you can write here, because here say the power 2, this base, it will multiply 2 times by itself. Minus 4 multiplied by 2, it's 8. 4 multiplied by 1, it's 4. Here we have 2. 7. Here is plus, we don't need to write. Here is very interesting. Minus multiplied by minus is plus. 7 multiplied by 7 is 49 minus 48. Here we fraction or divide by all this expression by 2. Now what we have? We have x 7. Here 49 minus 48, it's 1. The square root of 1, it's 1 divided by 2. Here we have x1, 7 plus 1 divided by 2. This is, here is 8 divided by 2, it's 4. And what is other? x2, 7 minus 1 divided by 2. 7 minus 1 is 6 divided by 2, and x2, it has value of 3. This is the root for this equation. Now, using this formula, bx, here we have here we will have x score 7x plus 12. We have said this is a value. The a value for this equation, it's 1. We don't need that one. x1, it has, here is the x1 is 4, x2 is 3. It's 4, 3. We will write 4 and x. When we substitute here that value, it's 4 and 3. Now this, can you see this? We must substitute here this value in this equation. Now let's copy this. Now here we must use the formula that is a minus b, in that is all base in score of 2 is a in power of 2 minus 2 multiplied by a multiplied b plus b in score. This is the formula that we must use. This is a, this is b. Now we have x score minus 2x 2 plus 2 in power of 2 or score. Here this minus, it will multiply this base, minus multiplied by plus, it's minus, x minus multiplied by minus is plus 2 plus 2. Here we have this base x minus 2 in power 1 fraction 3. Here we have this, we will substitute x minus 3, x minus 4. Now we will write here. Now we are going to continue. X score minus 2 multiplied by 2, it's 4x plus 2 in score of 2, it's 4 minus x, 2 plus 2 is 4. Here we have x in power 1 divided by 3, or fraction to say, x minus 3, x minus 4 equal. Now we have equal fraction x score. Here what we have, minus 4 and minus x. The reason we can apply the mathematical operation, because here we have x and here we have x. When this monom are the same, we can apply the mathematical operation that we have. Here we have minus 4, here it's 1. Listen here, minus 4 and minus 1. Here minus, we can have the common here to say, because here is minus multiply by plus is minus, minus multiply by plus, it's minus. Here it's minus 4. Minus 5, sorry. Here minus 4 and minus 1 is minus 5x. 4 plus 4 is 8. And here we have, here in this the denominator, sorry, it's 2 in power 1 fraction 3 x minus 3 x minus 4. What we have here, can we simplify here this? Can we see here? We can write here just this, x plus 8. What we have here, here is 1, a is 1, b is minus 5, c is 8, minus b plus minus b, c 2 here multiplied by a. Now we can write b is minus 5 plus minus b in score 4, a is 1, c is 8, 2, a is 1. What we will have here, 5, here minus multiplied by minus is plus, plus minus square root, minus in score is plus, because minus multiplied by minus is plus, 5 in score is 25, because 5 multiplied by 5 is 25, minus 4 multiplied by 8 is 32, 32 multiplied by 1 is 32, and 2. 5, here score here the score 25 minus 32 is minus 7 divided by 2. Here it means that this square root is negative. The result of these roots, it will be imaginary value, and we will have x1 2 5 plus minus I 7 2. This it will be. Now we cannot continue anymore, and this is the result solution for this exercise. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel to watch my new video, and please press the notification button. I wish to all you all the best.